my YouTube family. Here is a recent visit to an artisans exhibition in the city. Guess where? It's here in White House HSR Layout, Bangalore. Just near to BDA complex, and if you are staying in and around HSR Layout, this is a cherry on the top, isn't it? From ceramic craft to different wooden charm, hand-woven textiles from different Indian states, home decor pieces for each and every corners are also available in this exhibition. This is a particular store where you will find ceramic door handles, knobs and bottle caps and many different products. As soon as I entered, a person selling table runner, mats, table covers, cushion covers, kitchen towels and lot more at a very reasonable price. And a little bargaining is also possible. I purchased a table runner which is just 400 rupees. Isn't it reasonable? I purchased something which I will show you at the end of this video. Then some traditional furnitures in the entryway and wooden crockery will surely attract you. At the right side of the staircases, a ceramic store is there with its unique pieces. A beautiful carpet store has an ample collection of carpets on your own choice and you will be loving it for sure. These beautiful brass idols has own charm of its own. Look at this ethnic chappal store. Won't you purchase a few of them? Actually, I wanted to buy a pure cotton rezai for my son and hence I was looking for an exhibition. And a Jaipuri store as usual grabbed my attention. With its lot of pure cotton block printed bed sheets, cushion covers, rezai, dohar, ajrak and kalamkari styled katha and lot more. And finally I got a perfect quilt for my son. A person from Kutch has a variety of authentic Gujarati weaves at his store. I talked to him for some time and educated myself about Gujarati weaving and crafts. He said there is a workshop going on in NIFT Bangalore and they are showing their techniques. It's interesting and if you wish, you can also visit this week. And a lot of sari stores from different Indian states, ethnic kurtas, suits, tops, dresses, bags, accessories, ethnic shirts, kids clothing, wooden toys are also available in the exhibition. Chatpata snacks and achar store will also grab your attention. Found a Patachitra artist exhibiting Patachitra art in a store. They are from Raghunathpur, Odisha. Brass artisans also selling beautiful authentic brass idols and accessories in a particular store, and I purchased a brass plate to keep my Hanumanji into it. person is selling block printed, kalamkari printed and ethnic covered diaries and albums, which is quite unique, and at least you can have one in your collection. So, this place is very near to Sarjapur, Harlur Road, Hosa Road, Koramangala, Silk Board, BTM, Electronic City and many other locations. Do give it a try during this week. It's there till 27th of this July. You are not very late, so you have one more weekend to visit. I assure you, you won't be disappointed. Here are few items I purchased from the exhibition. How is it? Please let me know in the comment section. This much for today guys. Please subscribe to my channel and like, share and comment if you like the content. We'll see you soon in the next vlog. Till then, take care of yourself and your loved ones. Bye bye.